In front of me is INFINIX Note 30 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access users and accounts. Then use this gear next to Google under Password Management and tap on Google Password Manager. Now it's time to select passwords at the bottom left corner and tap on Add Password over here. Then input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website or tap on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!